Okay, Eric's going to do the honors here. It's a little windy.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun.
It's not cut right through them.
Oh, it's for Gile on the backside, too. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have another weird thing that I don't normally do. No, it's not threesomes because mostly the wife doesn't want that to happen, but it is appearance mods on my car. I am usually completely against appearance mods, but as you guys saw in one of the last videos, I have done the Radiator Grill Store grill covers, which really look nice. They darken up the front. So again, it's special thanks to them. But this video is about something different, another subtle thing that we're looking to do to the car to separate it from the rest. Can you guess what it is? Well, I'm just going to show you. So one of the little things that you can change is this panel here. You see it's held on by like a T something. You see that? A T-bolt. Yeah. And this little winglet, is that a winglet?
That's what I call it.
That's what. Okay, we're calling it a winglet now. This little winglet can be changed out to a different design. So thanks to Aerolarri, they sent us a package. Yes, my son's car seat is in there. A Fragile package here that, oh, that's me. That's our address. They sent us something to try out and see if it makes a difference. So, I'm just going to kind of go right here, get a little bit of a shot. And let's see what we have to work with. Okay, Eric's going to do the honors here. It's a little windy.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun.
It's not cut right through them.
Oh, it's for Gile on the backside, too.
It's a really dull razor blade.
Good. Okay, so what do we get?
Cloth.
We got cloth. Ooh, whoa. Dude.
So we got that.
Oh, man.
I thought I heard someone come.
And then that's the opposite
This is
side.
The opposite side for that.
Look, it's like
and then there's
felt.
a bigger set. This goes on that side.
Carbon fiber. Man, check out the weave.
So two different styles.
That's cool. Which one should we put on?
I don't know. I mean, it's only 2 bolts. Put the small one on first. That one, because we'll do this side.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it.
Need a T what?
I don't know. T10, T15.
That's definitely not a 15. It's like a 25.
So it'll be different. I think I'm gonna like the pointier one better, but we'll start with this guy. So you know what's gonna be cool about this? Now, if you look at the, if you check it out here, it is a decent bit thinner, but it's straight, which I think it being straight is going to give me the opportunity to actually put the CSP logo on it. We might get rid of the Aerolarri sticker, but that's okay, because he said I could do that after this video. And then we could put a CSP sticker on that, which would be, I think that would be really cool. Like right now, I can't really put the CSP sticker on because there's this little concave, a little bend in it. And so CSP would stick right there, but it would be all kind of goofed up. So I think this is going to be cool and different. Did I get a smudge? Just going to rub some scratches into this. That'll fix it up. Yeah, that's cool. So now I am told that when we do this,
Double-sided tape on the back?
there's like 2 spots of glue or something like that. So,
lopsided in there too.
Yeah, so apparently we have to pull kind of hard to get it off then.
I have to get a regular old. I feel like that one wasn't.
Okay, we're going to get a wrench because we don't want to strip the, I think it's a, I don't know what T25. Maybe. I'll find out. But we don't want to strip this. What torque bit is this?
20.
T20. Oh boy. Okay, so make sure you get in there.
Oh, maybe it was turning.
Oh, okay. Yeah, better safe than sorry.
You Did I put the other one in my pocket or did you take it?
No, I think you took it. If not,
It's over there.
oh, it is?
I say it's gone already.
Okay. It's where your monster drinks are. Or kickstarts.
Kickstarts.
Okay, so apparently you got a yank on this. I'm doing a wiggle, but it's not really doing anything. I'm kind of scared.
That sounds terrible.
It does sound terrible. I can feel it's the glue. It's.
Boy, am I glad we're doing this to yours first. Oh God, that's scary.
Yeah.
It actually like took part of the paint with the glue, but at least it's underneath.
Yeah.
Barely. Why is there a hole in it?
I don't know.
Put a light on there like an airplane.
And now it's different.
Wow, it looks really bad without it.
It does.
Try this one.
Yeah. Man, we broke it.
Nerve-wracking.
That is definitely nerve-wracking. He did tell me that there was like glue.
For a second, I thought you actually broke it.
It sounded like it.
It did. It was. I
walked over. I see your C8 in pieces.
Yeah, I was frightened. I was like, "What the f did I sign up for?"
Come on, get in.
You didn't want to do the cash and fiber?
Yeah, that's right. They do have like a cash and fiber.
It's made out of money.
It is like
It's like those videos where you see someone like how to make my car fast and you throw cash in it.
Yeah.
It's compressed cash.
Yeah, what is it? The bank cash that's like being taken out of circulation that they like shred up. And he takes that and he turns it into like a cash weed.
I thought it was real.
Yeah, no.
No, I thought it was like legit, not like taken out of.
Oh no, it's the stuff that they take out of circulation.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah.
Although I probably wouldn't want to park anywhere if I had like $2,000 money shredded up there.
It's different. It's definitely different. I can't say I like the square one personally.
Nope, not for me.
Yeah, let's give the other one a shot. I think that I mean, it's definitely different though. Like if we're trying to make something that stands out, something weird like that.
You could get like CSP put on it.
Oh yeah, no, that's what I was saying. I was saying that like we could actually put the logo that's down here up there that we can't really on the factory one.
On backwards so that there's no. Is this a sticker
Yeah,
or?
that'll come off.
Okay, I'm not big on the label.
Let's see, where's the other one?
Of course, it's the other one.
Okay, so let's give this one might not look bad.
Oh, it looks like a spaceship.
It's definitely different. So this is the other carbon fiber wing. I think there are a couple more designs. These are the only two designs that we got. I gotta admit that I like the carbon fiber accent.
I'd honestly like to see this in carbon fiber.
Yeah, I wonder if he can make this in carbon fiber. That would be a really good one.
It's an upside down version of that.
Yeah.
No, it just labels up.
Well, no, I mean the label can come off. I mean, let's see what it looks like upside down.
Yeah, I want to try and flip it.
Well, let's just put this one on.
The other side.
Yeah, just put this one on, because I think that might look pretty cool. It might be angled the wrong way, like it might be angled like that.
It's okay. It's angled for a wheelie. this one would be down,
Yeah, so if this was like that, that'd be pretty badass, I think. I think I'd like it like this. We're gonna have to tell them to make an adjustment. It's not like that, but like kind of pivot it a little bit. Keep it, yeah, like more like that. I think that would look good. Kind of like the factory one. Cool. Well, those are, you know, options from Aerolarri. And we're gonna mount stuff up and cruise around. Special thanks to Aerolarri for sending that stuff over. I'm gonna have to get some glue. We're gonna have to order glue. We're gonna have to do this another time.
I'll try this one upside down too.
Wait, what?
That's this one upside down.
Dude, that looks way better.
Wait, is it upside down or I just?
Did you?
Or did I just put it on without the? I just put it on without the lid.
Okay. Well, I think I like that one better now.
Yeah, now. Yeah, because it's level.
Yeah, no, I like this one better. So favorite-wise, out of the two, I think that there's too much going on with this one personally. Now, your opinion might be different than mine, but I think I like this one better. I think this one is still subtle, but has the cool carbon fiber look. It definitely draws your attention to it. I just need some other carbon fiber pieces to like kind of match with it. I don't have that stuff on here. But I feel like if you're gonna do this, you should probably do it with the rest of the carbon fiber stuff, because I think that it'll probably make a difference. But check that out. That carbon fiber is awesome. So I did put the factory one back on. I gotta be honest, I wasn't very, I don't know, I just wasn't in love with those designs, but that's okay because Aerolarri will do custom designs. So a custom flat panel for something like 600 or 700 bucks. So you can have your own design. I mean, he sells the ones that you guys just saw for only 270 bucks. So you can buy a bunch of them and swap them out using those two bolts. Just swap them out and change them every day of the week. With the custom designs, I think there might be an opportunity to crowdsource different designs. So as you're sending them in, maybe some of the more popular ones find their way into a stocking production area. That would be pretty cool. I'm asking them to do 2 designs for me, which I will show you guys in the future. One of them, a CSP that, you know, sits here because I think that's badass, and also a penis because I think that would be just funny as shit. So I think that's going to be really cool. I'm looking forward to it. Also, I heard that in production he is going to have replica winglets of the factory design. Now this is a little tougher because it is not a flat piece, but having this design in carbon fiber as well, that you can just replace this instead of, you know, the whole wing, which some people sell in all carbon fiber, as you saw in Eric's car previously. So I think that's going to be really cool, really great opportunities here. I'd like to thank our Aerolarri, of course, for the opportunity to try the winglets out. I think that they're pretty cool. I just wasn't in love with the design. I know that some of you might be because everybody has different tastes. And I'm looking forward to the future to drive around in the Penis Mobile and the CSP Mobile. But I'm not sure which one I'm looking forward to most, but I guess we'll find out. Okay guys, thank you for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.